All right,
No.
let's see. There's a bathroom. There's Bobby. Uh-oh,
The lamp.
did I just screw up another clock?
No.
Okay, and this is her guest room. It's very beautiful and clean and very well vacuumed. This is her bedroom. Beautiful closet. Goes right into the bathroom. Nice big bathroom.
Ready to start over?
Yeah, not quite that vested.
Kitchen. Whoop. There's a kitchen that opens up to the. Hey, Bill. Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh boy.
I was a little bit sleepy. There's a dining room. Well, that's not the dining room. That the whole thing is a living room. And here's the dining room. It's a huge apartment. It's beautiful.
Am I in it?
Yes, you are in it.
Oh boy.
Isn't that a beautiful apartment? And then here's me.
Yay!
And I'm your tour guide.